Picture this, you have just finished your 370-second tutorial. You are hyped. You open your code editor and your brain empty. Same, but guess what? That's where my journey to building Achievemap began. Let me tell you how I went from hello world to launching my first Saas product. It all started when I discovered coding. I entered what developers like to call tutorial hell.
Tutorial hell is when you're stuck in the pattern of doing tutorials, doing more tutorials, and sometimes switching languages or technologies and doing even more tutorials.
Every day I would watch a new tutorial thinking this is it, this is the one that makes me coding god. So my first project, not even mine, I copied someone else's code, changed the color and called it a day. For me, that first copy paste project gave me a tiny spark of confidence. After that, I started building a tiny project, like really tiny. Basically, things nobody asked for but made me feel like a genius. Then I tried a bigger project. Then came my first hackathon. Then I walked in, only to get roasted by the judge. They said, your project don't solve any real problems. But they were right. That's when I realized coding is not just about flexing your skill, it's about solving problems. From that day on, I started thinking about ideas differently. The question wasn't what can I build? It was what problem can I solve? So what problem did I solve? With Achievemap, I thought about my own struggle, thousands of tutorials, random projects, but no direction. It was like running a marathon with no finish line. I wanted to help others avoid that mess. Achievemap becomes a roadmap for developers, step-by-step guide to help you go from where do I even started. Now let's talk about building it. First, I chose Next.js because honestly it sounded cool. But then came challenges, setting up backend, integrating a payment gateway and fixing about a million errors. My process was simple. Google the error, cry when there's no solution, somehow fix it after 4 days. Now let's walk through Achievemap. First click the link in the description, Achievemap. This will take you to landing page. If you are new, just sign up. Once you are in, you will see the Get Roadmap button in front of you and click it. Now you will see list of roadmaps, React, Next.js, AI. Choose the one you want to learn. Each roadmap is designed to take you from zero to hero in a structured, clear way. After selecting your roadmap, you will be guided to purchase it. Don't worry, it's one-time payment and you will get lifetime access. Once you buy it, open the roadmap and explore everything at your own. The roadmap is designed with clear timeline showing you what to learn and when. Each step includes curated YouTube videos for reference. You are never stuck wondering where to go next. All you need to do is dedicate some time to it, follow the plan and watch your skills grow. That's it, just follow the steps and you will be building amazing projects in no time. Click the link in the description and start your journey. So what did I learn? First, stop overthinking. Your first project does not need to be perfect, it just needs to exist.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
Second, don't let error stop you. Every error solved is one step closer to success. And third, start small but think big. That's my story of building Achievemap. If you are inspired, hit like button, subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Check out my portfolio at pranavmolawade.com and follow me on socials. Remember, every expert was once a beginner.